Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Calm app. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Calm and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem like this. So please don't forget to support us by liking